Buju Banton and Wayne Wonder. I don't want the eye them go at it, you know. Because the two of the eye them are I and I artists where I and I rate. Because the eye them nice up I and I in the 90s, you know, with music. Me I go remind the eye them of a collab of the eye them, you know. Buju and Wayne, you remember this? You may not be a movie star. And when Wayne Wonder sing that, where Buju come in and say, woman, you may not be wealthy, no drive a fast car. Buju and Wayne Wonder, you remember them days there? How they had them did Irie. And the place nice. Well, me see a thing, I go on like you want to flare up with the eye them recently, you know. Me I say, hear me no Buju and Wayne Wonder. You just out it out right there. So you see that fire there? You just dash water in it. Just throw water in that. And out it. Not throw no wood in it. No firewood and no gas. No coal, fire coal and them thing there. Just dash a big bowl of water in it and out it out. And remember the good old days them. Because they are them are two great artists, Buju and Wayne Wonder. We don't want to see the eye them go at it right now. We don't want to see them thing there. We don't want them negative vibes vibration there. Whatever happened in the past, I don't say, I'm not advise him opinion and advice, the way him feel and express him feelings and emotions. You know. But what I say, and I grew up, and whatever happened in the past, fling away back the eye them, man. Fling away back uno. Back so. Make it go long. You see? And rest that, man. You see? Wayne Wonder. I'm a singer. I want to hear some hitter come out. Buju, you're my artist. I want to hear some hitter come out. Saying, I want to circle the vibes. Saying, big respect to the eye them. Continue to make good music and continue to nice up Jamaica and the rest of the world. When you hear that, because the eye them are legendary. Me, Shocking Morris said that.